Hi there, and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade cake mix in bulk to keep in your pantry. This is a great way to save money and time and have delicious cakes ready whenever you want. You can customize the flavors and ingredients to suit your preferences and store in an airtight container or resealable bag for up to 3 months or 6 months in the freezer. Plus, you only need a few basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. Sound good? Well, grab your apron and let's get started. Okay, I'm going to mix up enough mix for 2 cakes, and of course you can decrease this by half to do only 1, or you can increase it to do even more. The cake actually, it comes out as a yellow cake if left alone. But you can spice it up. You can make a spice cake, which is what I'm going to end up doing, or you can make a chocolate cake. I'll give you some additions to make those types. We need 5 cups of flour, and I need 3 cups of granulated sugar. Need 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of shortening. Now you want to mix it all up at low speed with a hand mixer or stand mixer until it's all crumbly and well incorporated. And there you go, you have your yellow cake mix all set. Just need to divide it in half. It's about 4½ cups for each cake mix, and you'd be all set for a yellow cake mix. Now I'm going to make spice cake. For each cake mix, you would want a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a ½ teaspoon of allspice, and a ¼ teaspoon of cloves. And I'm doubling that since I'm doing 2 cake mixes. And I'm just going to mix that through. Now what I like to do is resealable bag that I write the type of cake mix it is, when I made it, and then also what I need in addition for the cake, how long to cook it, and in what size pan. I'll add 4½ cups to each bag. In the description, I'll give you the exact measurements for each cake mix to go ahead and mix it up and bake it, as well as the timing and the temperature. And if you end up having extra, then just evenly divide it between your bags. Part of that's going to depend on the humidity and the lightness of your flour. I ended up with about 5 cups per bag. There I have 2 spice cake mix ready to put in my pantry, all set to bake up when it gets towards the holidays. They'll come in really handy. You can add different spices or extracts to change up the flavor, or even add a ½ cup of sprinkles to a mix to make your own fun funfetti cake. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Cat Scratch Kitchen for more easy and yummy recipes. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. Thanks for watching, and until next week, have fun in the kitchen.